Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a dinosaur mom with her baby. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a dinosaur mom. I start with her head and a good eye. And cheeks. I draw a smiling mouth. Then I draw her very long neck and 4 legs. And her body. Wonderful! Now let's draw her baby dino in a freshly broken egg. I draw the bottom part of the egg. Then I draw a baby dinosaur in it. I draw the rest of the broken egg on the top of the baby's head. I draw a line here for the ground. And finally, a palm tree. Now let's draw volcanoes in the background. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I colored the mommy dino. Red. And for the cheeks, pink. I used this green marker for her skin. And another one for her nails. Red. Then I colored the baby dinosaur with this light green marker. Then I used dark brown for the palm tree here. Dark brown. And dark green for the leaves. Light green. Now let's color the volcanoes. I color the ground gray. How beautiful! I color the lava with orange. Red. Light brown. Finally, I add a little red in the background. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.